So let's start with that NFS practical. So for that NFS share configuration, we can print with the help of that cat ATC and then exports. So when we see that exports file, so we can see there is like the temp folder and there's like rwsync insecure and no root squash and no subtree check. So we know this is that misconfiguration. So whenever you found in that etc export that no root squash, that's mean you can mount your that reverse shell and can directly get access that reverse shell. So first of all, for that mounting, I've just opened that new tab, and in the new tab, let me switch into that my user, and after this I have to create a like temporary file. So mkdir slash tmp slash nfs. So this thing I creating on that my computer system. So there's an this part, and let me mount, then -o read write towards 3, and then that my this one ip. So that IP is 10.10.0.209 slash TMP. As we see, though through this export now, exports. So there's an that folder which is the TMP. So and TMP, and then again TMP slash NFS. So we mount our TMP NFS to that our remote server slash TMP, because there is no root squash, and just the enter. So created that symlink. Yes, it's created. So now still we are using that that root user to generate a payload with the help of that MSF Venom. So MSF Venom -p Linux x86, and then execute cmd equal to that slash bin bash -b, preserve the permissions, and the file format it's elf, and output for the tmp nfs shell.elf. So we just create a file with the help of that msf venom. Just click, just enter. So it's automatically saved into the tmp nfs, the shell file. And then we have to change that chmod plus access, and then tmp nfs shell.elf. So we have successfully add that suid permission on that shell.elf. Now back to our that remote server, and just run the tmp and then shell.elf. And you can see by using that shell.elf, by executing that shell.elf, we successfully that escalate that user into that normal user to that root user. You can verify this one.